Right, you'll like this one.
Because I love food. You do?
Don't tell anyone that.
Don't tell
No one will
anyone.
watch this, will they? Can I set you a challenge?
Yeah, I'm very confused, Richard.
If you're 7 years old, grow up.
Today, I am here with Mr. Richard Jones.
Hello, how's it going?
If any of you guys recognise him, actually, this is where you'll recognise him from. I'll insert a little clip.
The winner of Britain's Got Talent 2016 is Richard Jones!
So yeah, I've got the winner of Britain's Got Talent in me gaff today. Richard's going to be teaching me some magic. I'm not going to lie, Richard, I've never done magic before, and the only experience I've ever had with a magician, I messed up his trick.
Well, I did hear somewhere that you always wanted to be a magician.
I did. When I was younger, I really wanted to be a magician, but I mean, I didn't really pursue the dream. I did have a quick look on Amazon, but other than that, yeah.
Well, you're probably looking at the wrong time. I've bought you a gift today. This is for you.
God,
Open that
thank you.
up.
Nice wrapping paper.
And you know you've made it, and you've made it to adulthood when you can wrap a present up.
Yeah,
and it looks presentable. Something I've only achieved today. So inside.
Oh, look. This looks insane.
So this is one of my magic sets. I've got two. This is my little one.
I'll leave a link to that down in the description below. So if any of you guys want to learn magic like me.
And the thing I always say is all of the tricks in there should be really easy to learn, but we are now going to find it out because Hannah's going to try and do so.
Yeah, this is me we're talking about.
Also get my new tour poster in there.
Oh, off on tour. Can I come and see you?
Absolutely.
Oh my God, I
yeah.
want to come.
Right, we're going to start. I'm going to grab this out. We're going to start with this. This is.
We've got Tic Tacs in there. I love Tic Tacs.
We do have Tic Tacs. They're flavoured Tic Tacs.
Oh,
as
strawberry
well,
ones are my fave.
Awesome.
They are my fave.
This is a drawer box. Keep your cards in there and all that kind of stuff. What I'll do is I'll leave it there for a secsecond.
Right.
What is your favourite chocolate?
Galaxy.
Galaxy. All right, we're going to change the question. What's your favourite coloured chocolate?
Oh, do you mean like in the Quality Street tin, or?
So like if you had to choose your favourite chocolate that was shaped in little discs and there was hundreds of them in each tube that you get and each one was a different colour and they've recently inserted orange into them, what favourite chocolate would that be?
I don't know, my feet. What are they called? Smarties!
Smarties! Yes! And look, if you're given 2 taps to one chocolate that you thought of, there we go, Smarties. How about that?
What?
There we go.
Oh my God!
So I thought we'd do this one first so we can eat while we're,
can I
while we're
have
filming.
one?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah, absolutely.
thanks.
Right,
oh my
okay.
Gosh, I can't believe we've just got Smarties out of nowhere. Never have to buy them
Galaxy is your favourite chocolate.
Yeah.
Is it?
What's
I
yours?
suppose Smarties.
Oh yeah, obviously.
Magic Smarties, of course it is. Awesome, so there's loads of cool stuff in here. In fact, I wonder if, because you highlighted the Tic Tacs, we should do a trick with the Tic Tacs.
Okay.
Right, you'll like this one.
Because I love food.
Right, we're going to drop all the Tic Tacs away. This might actually take a lot longer.
Oh yeah, they're actually really good. They don't come out, do they?
I think they've made the hole smaller, haven't they? Right, what we're going to do, so we've got loads of change here. All right, we'll take a penny, and if you watch the Tic Tacs, hopefully, a little shake like that.
Are you joking me? No
How about that?
way.
Check that out, there we go.
I was watching you then and I didn't even see it. As if. There's no like secret holes. I'm very confused, Richard. I'm very confused about that one.
Do you want to learn that one?
I do, yeah.
I'm going to teach you. Nice! You nailed that first time.
Wow, I'm a magician.
That is so
I'm
cool.
actually a magician. Wow,
That is
I'm quite
awesome.
impressed with myself. I learned that so
I actually
quick.
can't believe you just did that first time.
What can I say? I'm a natural magician,
It took
Richard.
me like 10 years to learn that one.
I might enter Britain's Got Talent. You'll see me on it next
Yeah,
year.
yeah.
I'll win the next series.
Well, if
Can
you win it
imagine?
next year with tricks that you've learned in here, there is a disclaimer that you have to give me 50% of the winnings. That is.
Did you just make that rule up?
I've just made that rule up, yeah. Just because actually I think you might win it. Can I set you a challenge?
Yeah.
In the next 2 weeks on your Instagram,
Right.
I want to see you perform that for someone.
Okay.
Anyone, it doesn't matter who
Right,
it
yeah,
is.
challenge accepted.
Okay, wicked.
Follow me on Instagram. Follow Richard as well. I'll leave his @ on screen here. Follow my magic journey.
So the other one that you'll learn straight away is this. So this is an old classic. All right, I'm gonna see if you can perform this trick, even though I'm not even gonna teach you how to do it. So basically, inside this plastic bit here are a couple of blades.
Oh, that sounds scary.
But they're only tiny. Like this is for anyone 8+. So
Okay.
don't panic
Right.
if you're getting this for your kid.
But if you're 7 years old, sorry, hon, you're not invited to this
Yeah, if you're
party.
7 years old, grow up, all right? So in a second, you're going to split the rope. So you have to do it fast so it cuts it. So you're going to go like this.
Right,
So
okay.
with the 2 sides, you're going to split them, and hopefully it will chop the rope in half. So if you go for that. Oh, you did it. Nice. Oh, that's a clean
Wow,
cut.
I'm quite strong.
Here we go. You see that? Hopefully you can see the rope inside there. So hold on to it. Now you're going to do some magic. Now you're going to close it. It's just as fast as you did it. The weird thing is, keep hold of that. There is
It's
no
not
holes.
cut.
And you should check that for magnets.
I didn't even think of magnets, to be honest. Oh my gosh, that's literally just... I'm very confused. I don't even know if I want
You
to know
did it,
how
and you
that
don't
was
even
done.
know how you did it.
Yeah, I don't even know. I'm so good that I don't know how I do my own tricks.
Just so you know, there is not any real blades in there. That was all part of the
Yeah.
misdirection and the lies that you incorporate in magic.
Very safe trick.
It's very safe. So if you're 7, you can get involved.
You can actually do this one.
You're not going to hurt yourself on that one. You now know 3 magic tricks. You're now ready to start going out there and doing weddings.
Yeah, oh my gosh, I can charge for table service, go around to every table.
Absolutely. So I'll show you this, just because you may have noticed here, we have
a bit of money.
We do have some cash.
I did notice the money.
This is genuine tender, legal tender from the country of Richard Jones. This isn't in this magic box, but my bigger magic box has a very similar trick to this. The number 1 question you get asked as a magician is, can you create your own cash?
Right.
If I fold it down and then open it back up, you may notice the colour. I don't know if you'll be able to see just yet because you're at a slight angle, but hopefully everyone at home can see the colour changes slightly into...
Oh, what? That's my favourite trick so far.
That's your favourite trick so far, right?
That's my favourite trick. I've got a question for you.
You can't keep it, no.
So if you can change a £5 into a 50,
Yeah.
why don't you just do that all the time? I would.
I do.
You do?
Don't tell anyone that.
Don't tell
No one will
anyone.
watch this, will they? Alright, so this is quite cool. And then you can bring little lights out, put menu over here. This is a great one for kids. Put menu over here. Nice! Yeah, pass it over here and I'll just... Whoa! Jeez.
That was
Look,
a hefty blow.
Take it back, there we go.
Oh, thanks. Put that back in my ear.
Everyone should know a card trick. Everyone should
Okay.
at least know 1 card trick. And this
I've got a
going
confession
be...
to make for you, Richard. I googled cards this morning because
Right.
I didn't know like the shapes.
You're
the heart.
joking.
Yeah.
Have you never played Snap?
I have a mental block with them. I can't remember the shapes, the colours, how they work, the kings, queens, all of that.
Well, you are a magician's nightmare.
I know, that's why I messed up that guy's trick once.
I'm sure it's you that told me recently that you saw a magician once and they produced a potato out of their hat.
Yeah, the other day in the Chinese restaurant, he come round,
What did he do?
put his
Sounds
hat on the
amazing.
table, lifted the hat up and there was a jacket potato in there.
Nice. Was it cooked?
No.
Was there
but
beans?
Before, no, there wasn't beans or cheese or tuna, unfortunately.
Oh,
His
that's
name's
great.
Terry. Do you know him? Ben?
Avoid the card tricks with Hannah. Always bring along a hat and a potato.
Just bring a potato and I'll be happy. I love a
Yeah.
jacket.
What would
Potato.
you have with it usually though?
Tuna. Tuna and salad.
No one eats tuna in this decade.
I love a bit of
And
tuna.
with beans and cheese. Okay, here we go. So we have, I'll hold these up so you can see that they are all different. You're going to choose any card for us. I'll look away, hold it up to the camera so everyone at home can see. And then hide it so I can't see it. And then put it back in the middle somewhere. Your card, was it the 10 of hearts?
No.
It was worth a shot though, wasn't it? Imagine if it was the 10 of hearts, that would have been a miracle. Are you able to mix cards like this without dropping them?
I mean, I can try.
So there's no way at this point in time that I could know where your card is that correct?
No, I don't know where it is.
Fantastic. So if I take them back here, all it takes, you'll be able to do this in a second, you'll be able to just reach out, pull 1 card out, just like that. And hopefully every time it will be the one that you chose. Is that the one?
That is the one.
Out of all of these cards
It's the Joker.
that you shuffled.
My face then, I wasn't sure if I was supposed to give it away to you. That was the card you pulled. I was like, oh my god, that's the
You
one.
did well, because the Joker is obviously the easiest one to remember.
I know, when I put that out, I thought, thank god it's the Joker.
Yeah.
Pick a card, Richard, any card.
Any card? I'm going to go with this one.
Show the camera, I won't
I'm going
look.
to show this camera down here. There we go. Yep, okay.
What's the next step? I've forgotten.
So I'll put it back somewhere in the middle.
Okay, put it back in there.
Perfect.
Right, would you like to shuffle the cards?
I'd love to shuffle the cards. Here we go. I've shuffled them. There's no way
Okay.
you could know where the card is.
No way.
No way.
I'm going to pick out your card. You
Really?
ready? Well, I'm
Impossible.
going to try. Okay, the
No.
card that I've picked out.
No!
Is
that
that
was
your
it.
card?
That was the one.
Wow, what can I say?
You're picking this up so quick.
I know, I'm going to be stealing your job.
Would you like a Smartie? Should we have a
Oh
Smartie
yeah,
break?
shall we have a Smartie break?
You can have a Smartie.
Thank you.
Most people like the orange ones.
Why? I think they all taste the same.
Apparently the orange one's got better flavour.
I literally think that's just something to do with your mind.
I'm pretty sure it is. I'm going to try one more quickly.
Right.
It's not in the box, but you can understand how it works from the box. So I have a gift here for you. There is loads of gifts. Sometimes I used to do this at shows. At the end of the show, I would give someone a gift, and you're going to have one of these gifts in a minute. Some are better than others. So we've got Rolos, we've got an iPhone. It's an iPhone 4 though, so it's quite old school.
That's
The
all right.
goldfish, lots of chocolate, alarm clock, iPads, and drones.
Oh, I could do with a drone.
All I want you to do is just point to one. Point to anyone you want.
This one.
All I want you to do is remember it. Don't say it out loud.
Okay.
I'll hold it up to the camera. Hopefully you can vouch that I'm not looking. Is it in the camera?
It's in the camera.
Okay, awesome. I'll get rid of those and we'll put them away. Like I said, I have a gift for you. I'm going to get it out of my jacket. All right, for the first time, I'll hold it here so we can see.
Yeah.
What did you choose?
Polos.
Polos?
Yeah.
Is that what you chose?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, they're mint.
Well, I got close. I went for Rolos.
Rolos.
Oh, I went for Rolos.
I've only got one letter wrong.
Yeah, there's only one there. If we do it on this camera, hopefully you can see. Obviously, we got the R instead of the P.
Yeah.
But hopefully this camera will pick this up. Hopefully, if you give it a little rub here, hopefully you can see this as well. Look, if I squeeze here, watch.
Yeah.
You can change that R to a P. There we go.
Now we've got polos.
Now you've got polos, so they're for you.
Thank you.
Crack them in half.
There's polos inside.
And then there's polos. There we go. So that's my gift to you.
Oh my gosh, you're very good at acting like you've done it wrong. Polos,
Awesome.
Rolos. We'll have a little brand collaboration.
Yeah, yeah.
Would you like a polo?
Yeah, I would love one. Thank you. You should definitely come to my tour, by the way.
Oh yeah, I definitely will.
You should bring your mum as well. I met Hannah's mum a minute ago.
Yeah,
and she's
Bridget.
awesome. Gave me a tour of the garden.
Is that a house tour?
Yeah. I'm hoping you're going to actually invite me around for the barbecues.
Oh yeah, you'll be here for a summer barbecue. Defo.
Awesome.
Bring your magic box.
Well, I was going to say I'll come around and entertain everyone, but actually I think you can do that.
Oh yeah,
I'll
I'll
just
be
come
the
along and eat a
entertainer
burger.
now. Yeah, oh that's fine with me.
Yeah, you can do the magic.
I might even be able to charge my own family for the entertainment
Yeah,
now.
I'm going to show you another cool one that we'll keep this one on. Because I'll show you something.
Can I finish my polo first?
Yeah, finish your polo.
I never usually chew a polo. I was surprised when you started chewing it.
Oh, I always chew it.
Do you?
Yeah, I'm always in a rush. Never ponder on the polos. Right, what you're going to do is you're going to say stop as I riffle through.
Stop.
You happy there? Mm-hmm. You sure?
Yep.
Make sure I don't see the card, but take it, have a look, show the camera for us. Does it have something written on it? Now what the interesting thing is obviously you'll probably think it's probably got your name on each one, but I'll just show you it doesn't have. So that's the only one with your name on it. So we've got there...
Oh my god, Hannah's card.
Hannah's card. So I knew you was going to stop there, but that wasn't a magic trick, that was just the beginning.
Right.
What I want you to do is you're going to destroy that card. What I want you to tear it into 4 pieces for us.
Oh, this feels criminal.
On the count of 3. Oh, you've rushed
Oh,
it.
you just told me to live life
Carry
as
on
far
now.
forward.
You have, yeah. Wicked. Right, what we're going to do, we'll take those pieces one at a time. So it's got Hannah's card written on it and it's the 4 of diamonds. Right, what we're going to do, we're going to try and recreate your card. So it says Hannah's card and it's the 4 of diamonds. Hopefully we'll pick this up on the camera. If we give it a little wave like this, you can actually get the card to completely...
It's fixed.
Fix. Take it, have a look.
Wow, oh
So
my
it
gosh.
fix itself.
It's fixed.
There you
Richard,
go.
please may you fix my life
now-
like this.
Well, I'm going to give you a pen. There we go. And you're going to give us your best autograph. So we have, it doesn't matter what card we go for, 2 of hearts is fine because it's got loads of space. Just do us your biggest autograph there so all of your fans can see. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stick this on eBay. Right, so we have your 2 of hearts. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it in half and then fold it in quarters. All I want you to do is squeeze hold of it. I'm going to do the same thing as you. We're going to do this at the same time. So I'll take a card, the Jack of Spades. Sorry, I nearly messed it up there. Wow, it's contagious, this.
Unintelligence.
I'm going to do R and J. So we have here R and J on the Jack of Spades. I'm going to fold mine up and we're going to do exactly the same thing together. Mine's nice and neat like this.
I'm holding this like my life depends on it.
Right, well what we're going to do is, so I'm squeezing the Jack of Spades, you're squeezing one with your name on it. What I want you to do is turn your hand this way for us and put your pointer finger out like this. Now in a second, we're going to connect fingers. When we do, you're going to feel a huge electric shock.
Oh, okay.
It will hurt.
Oh.
It'll be a big charge.
Okay.
But it'll be worth it.
Okay, right.
Mainly for my entertainment.
I'm nervous.
And mainly for your entertainment. Okay, so I'm just going to sit back a bit. Just sometimes the spark gets me.
I'm scared.
You ready?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Oh, I want to get it over with.
You ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Whoa! I'm joking! I wouldn't really do that to you. But just connect fingers. Now, believe it or not, an energy has connected past there.
Right.
I wouldn't ever electrocute you. That would be brutal.
I was so
and
ready
you would
for
not
it,
invite me back.
You would not be coming to the summer barbecue.
If I open my hand up, the weird thing is, if I open this up, hopefully you'll see this. If I open this up, I've now got your name.
I know where this is going. I've got yours. I was holding on to that card so tightly though. It was all in the electric shock.
All in that electric touch.
Wow.
There are no camera edits as well, by the way.
Yeah, no. I think my audience will know that I'm not very advanced with my editing anyway, so that's not really a concern.
I reckon you've got all the basics of what you need now. If you come to my show, which you are, I won't accept no as an answer. I'm going to get her on stage. So if you come to my show in Essex,
yes, I could be your support
make sure you're
act.
there. Yeah,
I'll
you can
come out, do a little bit of
all you
magic,
need is that rope.
warm up the crowd.
Or maybe
get
I'll warm up
dancing.
the crowd for you, and then you can come on at the end and do the tic tacs
that's
as the finale.
the big finish.
That should be the big
with the box
finish.
of tic
That
tacs.
should be.
I'll get the music on, get the tunes on, get the crowd ready.
Yeah. Are you a DJ as well?
Well, I can be.
You could be literally on stage DJing while I'm doing tricks.
Well, you can be doing your tricks and I'll build suspense.
He's about to do it. He's about to do it.
Here it comes.
Here we go.
Anyway, Richard, thanks for being on my channel.
Thank you for inviting me. Thanks for having me, you guys. Appreciate
You're
it.
welcome. You're welcome anytime to come and teach me some tricks. Thank you for giving me another career option. I'll leave all Richard's links in the description down below. Tour tickets, magic kits, his YouTube channel, his Instagram as well. That is on screen here. Go and give him a follow. I particularly like the videos with your dogs. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to see my future videos. But for now, thanks for watching and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye!